Hi everyone, welcome back. Today me and Alex Dark are going to go down to a semi-disused airfield, which is called Predannack. It's down on the Lizard Point. It's one of the most southern places in the United Kingdom. We're going to go down there. I've been there for a walk like about 10 years ago, and Alex has been down there slightly more recently with his bike. But we were like, should we go and check it out, see if there's anything good to ride there, because there might be some fun stuff. And so, yeah, we're going to go see what it's like. Thank you to everyone who's watched the first two videos and subscribed and done anything else. We really, really appreciate it. It's exciting to have yet another YouTube channel that I'm running. Yeah, if you want to see more videos like this or anything else, please do subscribe, share, like it, and let us know in the comments what else you want to see us do. I've got plans for like some how-to videos. I want to do some stuff about RPM and how that's made me a living over the last couple of years, and yeah, there's lots of other things that I would really like to do. So yeah, thank you for enjoying and subscribing and everything else and stuff like that. And yeah, we're gonna cut to me and Alex in a car park discussing what we're gonna do right about now. Couldn't be more stereotypical. Which way did you come in?
I think more from the road.
What, from out that way?
That way somewhere.
So we're not entirely sure how much you're actually allowed to go onto Ministry of Defence property, but I've seen a lot of YouTube videos of people doing it, and we've both been there before, which is the important thing. Where we are now, this is a National Trust car park called Predannack, and I'll put a link to that below. If you're not a National Trust member, you really should be, because it's really helpful, and it's nice to keep places like this that look nice. So yeah, we're going to wander down there now and see what we can find.
Thing is down there. It's all in this corner.
Yeah, and we're all the left.
Actually fairly confident now. That's probably worth a shot, isn't it?
Predannack airfield, satellite, first bit of concrete. So this is it. RAF Predannack, RAF Predannack. Big, pretty much disused runway. I mean, I don't think I'd want to land a plane on any of these potholes or anything. But yeah, and where we're just heading down to now, if I just turn the camera around, you can see there's all these leftover aeroplanes and stuff, which we're going to go and explore now. Good to be aware of. Will it tap?
Hardly stable. Or doesn't move at all.
Jack Carthy, he'd probably love that, wouldn't he?
It's not that big per se, is it? It's only...
Well, it's bar height. Power into it. Beautiful. I really like that. Do not stand here. Exactly where we've just been tapping. I just had such a thought just then for a moment. I thought, oh God, I hope they don't have to use this aeroplane for something. And then I remember it's it's like falling apart.
Very generous.
Yeah. I think that is a Sea King on its side.
That might be the one I nearly fell through.
These are basically military training areas so that the military can train their teams and stuff. And then more like simulation things over there, which we probably shouldn't touch. And
it smells very kerosene-y.
I was going to say, can you smell that? Yeah.
A lot of acceleration.
You can't tell, but we've literally... Yeah, you won't be able to tell this, but standing here, I would say, if you drank about a thimble full of that water, you'd probably be very, very unwell, because it smells so strongly of petrochemicals here. But then I get this is what it is, which means they might have used this quite recently.
It's probably the same as that.
Yeah, you're probably drinking like similar kind of stuff to that. So yeah, we're not going to ride on this stuff, I don't think, because yeah, falling off would be very unpleasant. It's not there. I think you're okay. Let's find out. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's not nice, the whole thing is moving, and I just feel like if I fall in there, that's going to be the worst day. Yeah. And it's also not in the slightest bit grippy. Not in the slightest bit grippy. The grippiest bit and still fell off. I guess it's pretty much the same as dropping off the van, but my God, what a shot that would be. Beautiful.
It's quite a long way down, to be fair.
Yeah. So yeah, we've both gotten onto this. I got up there and was like, I'm not dropping off that. Alex, on the other hand, felt very comfortable with it, so he did it, and it was all good. And now I'm going to see if he can side up it. Sheathing this massive, prop shaft there. So what you're doing is going to push down onto that.
Oh, the prop shaft's going to be there anyway, isn't it?
Yeah. Hi.
So it's the... What was up then?
I think you were.
Access denied.
I imagine once they've taken out all the internals, it's probably not that heavy. And considering we can move it like...
I guess. The heaviest thing is probably that drill shaft and that main one there as well.
I'll stop wobbling that, there you go.
Cheers, son.
Oh! Do you want to know where you landed?
Yeah, somewhere ridiculous over
There.
there.
Yes, 100% you were on that.
Why did I land on that? That's... Yes, yes. Oh.
Well, I think that's it for Predannack, because there's nothing else here. There used to be like 7 or 8 planes, half a dozen of them, and now there's literally 1 plane over there and 1 helicopter. But we've had a bit of fun, it's been nice. Sorry to the MOD if we're not supposed to be here. But yeah, I think we're going to go ride something else. But thank you very much for watching this. If you like it, please subscribe, and we'll see you again soon. Cheers now.
This airfield had to be flat.